Well, hey guys, welcome back to Bartlow's Barbecue. We're right in my backyard, and today we're smoking, that's right, a tomahawk steak. It's gonna be so delicious, and I cannot wait. I can't contain myself. It's gonna be so much fun to reverse sear this. And before we do that, we have to do one step first, and we have to properly prepare this meat so that it is to its full capacity on tasting amazing. And what is that step? Hey, we've got to salt brine this thing, and we're gonna try to do that for 24 to 72 hours. So let's try to do that right now. Let me show you what that looks like, and then we'll get the Kamado Joe up and running in a few days. Take some tin foil and wrap this bone so it does not overcook that bone. Just like that, my friends, we're ready to put this on the Kamado Joe, and we are going to be cooking this low and slow. This is going to be key to reverse searing. We're going to get the temperature up to 225, let it smoke for 45 minutes. And again, that's obviously with heat deflectors with the Kamado Joe. You want to put that on indirect. And if you don't have a ceramic egg and you're using a charcoal grill or a grill, you just want to make sure you have it on the indirect side. And so it's not getting that heat too much. It's just naturally coming across your grill and just letting it slowly cook, bringing it up to the temperature of 120. And then we will pull that off, and then we will like to get that hot and fiery on that Kamado Joe, and then we're gonna sear it for a minute to a minute and a half on each side, and hopefully get that great crust, but yet tender on the inside. Cannot wait to show you the result. Let's go. All right, friends, we got the fire going. We got a few pieces of cherry wood in there for that smoke flavor. Got the heat deflectors on, ready to go. Put these grill grates on. Typically, I usually have my gloves on, but I'm gonna do this really fast. And then we're gonna put that steak on there. All right, guys, I've got that tomahawk steak on the grill, got the probe in. We are gonna let this smoke on indirect heat until we get to that 120 temperature. We are trying to get that medium rare desired temperature of the steak, so it's super tender and juicy. And then we are gonna pull up that temperature up to 500, 600, maybe even more degrees, take the heat deflectors off. We're gonna put a cast iron half moon right below, and we're gonna sear this amazing tomahawk steak for a minute and a half per side, and we should be done and ready to go. So hey, it's gonna be really tasty, so stay tuned. All right, guys, we are at 120, and now it's time, oh yeah, to take this off the grill. This is at 120, my friends. You got some nice looking color to it. We're gonna put it under some tin foil and let it rest as we get the grill up to that 600, 700 degrees. And then we are going to sear this puppy. All right, guys, we got this thing up to steak searing experience. Let's go. 2 minutes. All right, guys, let's cut it down the middle so you can see what it looks like. Seeing it for the first time. Yes, my friends, come on. That is medium rare. All right, let's do a taste test. All right, taste test. Wow, amazing crust. Seriously though, sometimes we can over exaggerate on these videos, but at least some YouTubers do. Come on, let's be honest. But this is really good. My very first tomahawk steak, and I'm very excited. I think it turned out awesome. I've reversed tons of steaks, reverse seared this, but it's my first time to spend some money and do the reverse or the tomahawk steak. So that had a great, I can taste the salt a little bit because I did use some Holy Cow or Holy Gospel rub that has a little salt in it, some garlic and some other things in it. But man, I like that salty taste, and honestly, it wasn't too strong. It was kind of sweet and tender. What do you guys think?
I give you $7.
You give me, you'll give me $7.50 for that one bite. That's an expensive steak.
I give you $1,000,000 trillion.
Oh, to eat this, so you guys would say 2 thumbs up. It was really good. Well worth the wait. All right, thanks for tuning in.
I love ya.
All right. All right, friends, that was really tasty. I loved it. That's how you reverse sear a tomahawk steak, and it was really delicious. I definitely will do that again, and would love for you to comment. Let me know right below what you think. What ways have you done it? Because as you know, if you've been following this barbecue journey with me, we're growing together, and I want to learn from you just as much as anything else, because this is my backyard barbecue, and man, I'm continuing to learn what it looks like to be a pit master in my own backyard, and I'm loving the journey. It's so much fun. So from my backyards to yours, I hope you're experiencing a lot of joy with your family and friends as food brings us together. If you like this video, like it, subscribe, hit the notification button, and stay tuned to different fun videos on barbecue and recipes from my backyard to yours. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.